Hello everyone, I'm Henrik, and welcome to Black Myth Wukong. So I've been waiting for this game since 2020 when it was first announced, so that's 4 years. But I'm a little bit late now, because I have been in China. I literally arrived in Sweden 4 hours ago. I unpacked a little bit, drank a cup of coffee, and then I started the game. But the good thing is that I managed to get this wonderful Wukong thing from Luckin Coffee in China, so that's nice. I'm gonna leave the text as English, because otherwise I won't be able to understand anything. That will make the game difficult. And the speech I'm going to change to Chinese, because you English in this game, no thank you. Now let's go on a new journey. So I'm just gonna play this for however long I am capable. I'll try my best to play this for a few hours at least. But I'm not sure. I'm very tired. I might fall asleep. Oh, whoa. You guys are huge. And fat. And he has an elephant on his stomach. I don't know how to feel about that. Oh, nice. I wonder would I be able to fly the cloud. That would be cool. Yeah, I should be able to. Come on, give me control. Give me control. Stop cutscening and give me gameplay. Oh, that's a lot of peeps. And those are some big peeps.
人，我保住了；金，我取到了。俺老孙啥功名不要，只求回到这花果山中了，过过逍遥日子。上面的天王老子信不过我，我懂。让你小子带些虾兵蟹将过来虚张声势，又想唬我回去做神仙。我也懂。我不懂的是，你他娘的杀我好子好孙！
蠢狗，放肆！还不退下！都记好了，他不是只普通猴子，他是有功的猴子，是封过佛位的猴子。这里除了我，没人配与他单挑。猢狲的猢狲。我本不想与你这个手下败将再战一场。这样吧，一会儿若是你败了，我带你回天庭。他们留在这里铲平花果山。若是我输了，我定然不会罢休，他们照样铲平花果山。哎呀！生灵涂炭了。 好歹也同僚一场，是真不想打。要不你现在就跪下认个错，这事儿就算过去了，如何？
这么多年了，除了那只猪头，就属你最会扯淡，最能逗老孙开心。杨兄弟，你放心，待会儿我只拔下你额头上那颗眼睛尝尝鲜，其他2颗先给你留着，我让你亲眼看看我是怎么杀光天庭每一条狗的。这里的，上面的，还有刚刚那条黑的，留下点儿，一起上吧。
Okay.
老天一再给你机会，你这般不是
So, okay, I mean, it's gameplay. Okay. Whoa, nice. Okay, my dodging is not on point yet. I wonder, is this kind of like boss you're supposed to lose against, or I don't even know where my health bar is. Oh, there you go, you. Whoa, where are you? Hello. Where are you going? Where's my health bar? I literally don't know where my health bar is.
斗战胜佛，你可知这长生不老的佛位，有多少人求而不得？
长生不老，3界6道不就毁在这4个字上？
Okay, come on. You think you can beat me? I don't think so. Come on. Come on. This is nothing. Oh shit. That was a big attack. Oh, okay. I have abilities that I don't know how to use, but that'll be good. How about a pluck of many? What's this? Oh! Oh, that's nice. I almost feel like I'm a little bit too strong here.
驼猴，你受了天禄，本性未改，今日谁也救不了。
好兄长，你的刀钝了，正好给俺老孙挠个痒。
Wow. Let's use that one again. That was really strong. I just totally make him stop moving. I quite like the gameplay though. Oh, sorry. Here we go, some close. Oh, but then I go right into a cutscene, which makes them disappear. So sad. This is badass. I don't know if I'm doing well, like, as in I'm good at the game, or like, passable, or if it's just made, like, to be impossible to lose here, because I did take some hits. Who knows?
和好，十无一刃。
Do not think you can beat the monkey king.
小外甥，这就是你说的单挑？天上阳光扎眼的很，有种再和你舅舅去山里会会。
I mean, I almost beat that guy. I don't need to overcomplicate things now. This is likely based on the actual story, Journey to the West, like what's happening right now. I'll be honest with you, the closer I got into actually watching that, or reading that story, is Dragon Ball, which is not close. So I can't really say that I know anything that's happening.
平生最喜自由自在，纵然得了正果金身，却还是受不得天条繁荣。一心想着回来这里与咱共乐天真，谁知他辞了佛位，欢喜还乡。有些人。 倒是越发放心不下。唉，这块石头啊，在山里出了不知多少世界。我打小听人说，齐天大圣的尸身就藏在里面。他乃天产石猴，本有不生不灭的大神通。纵然不幸身死，但神魂没有完全消散，而是化为了6件灵物。 各自逃遁，隐匿世间。这便是大圣6根的传说。可惜数百年来，无人亲眼得见。唉，我老了，走不完。 这四周茫茫之地，但你们之中，书籍会有天命所归。将他遗下的灵物一一寻遍。
Oh, I'm not Wukong.
待领悟尽数回归花果山之日，
I'm playing as random
或
monkey.
是大圣复生之时。
Well, that makes sense, because Wukong is ridiculously strong in the legends or in the story. So, like, chance that I would be like, it wouldn't really be much of a game if I was just playing as Wukong and just like beat everyone. Okay, that's a really cool start of the game, I'll be honest. I really like it.
做马牛，做人哪儿比做妖好？不怕阎王，命不休。哎，你看，缘到福自有。
嘿嘿，大哥，真是有口福啊！指不定是从哪个山头上滚下来的。
这桃倒是识趣儿。
Isn't it? Isn't it Buddha that seals Wukong in the mountain? I thought it was Buddha. Maybe Arliang is... Oh god, I don't know enough about this. Okay. Yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna beat you. There you go. Yeah, I know how to play a Souls-like. Okay, yeah. Okay, I feel like I basically get all the controls. Let's see. Hello. Okay, that was ridiculously easy. You're too weak. Come back when you actually stand any chance against me. The monkey. Not the Monkey King, the monkey dude. Because this is a Souls-like game, which means that I probably should explore. Charged heavy attacks. Hold triangle to charge and build up focus. Charging costs stamina, but quickly builds up focus. Okay, and then there you go. Oh, wow, one attack. Not bad. Will 29. Tiny piece of gold 5. No idea what I will be doing with these things, but that's probably good. Well, I mean, at least the gold is good. I know that much.
哎呀，发什么呆？拔根毛来拜一拜。
This is a little bit Neo-inspired. It looks like it, I mean. Like, you're ugly.
是黑风山的土地，在此候你多时。香，真香。再往前走，就是观音禅院。当年也是香火鼎盛。 只可惜，那场大火哟，后来呀，这禅院又被重建了，可人心若是烧没了，修好一座破庙，又有什么用呢？
More wolves.
不记得此地却是有些东西惦记着你，来者不善，小猴子自求多福。
Okay, mysterious old man. So, if this is like Elden Ring or Dark Souls or any of those games, then I would expect this to just give me my health back. Fully restores your conditions and replenish your gourd. Enemies will also respawn. Yeah. And then, okay, I can already travel. That's nice. That's neat. Okay, full health. I don't know, is this game difficult? Because this is a Souls-like game. So I would expect it to be at least a little bit difficult. But at the same time, I don't know. I don't know, because I haven't played it that much yet. For now, it's still okay. It's not too bad. And I mean, I was literally like unkillable against that first boss. So, okay, I have a stamina bar in the bottom. So that's a good thing to keep an eye on. Do I have a block button? Oh, okay, I just wasted something. I guess this is blocking. R2 is blocking, okay. R1 is running. Running does not take stamina. R2 does nothing. Okay, I shouldn't randomly heal, because that's a waste of healing. Okay, I need to check. Is this actually a block? Here, come on, attack me. Okay, it's not a block. Well, now I know. Oh, that's... what are you? You kinda looked a little bit monkey-like. Be you friend? Or be you foe? Is there anything more to collect in this area? Or was that it? That is the question I ask myself every day. Oh, okay, that guy looks tough. But that's fun. So I'm just gonna go at it. And that's actually a boss. Let's see if it's a mini boss or a normal boss or... Okay, this seems manageable so far. Okay. He actually hit me. That could have gone bad. Oh, that's hurt a little bit. Okay. Come on, come here, come here, come here. Come at me. Come at me, bro. He doesn't actually hurt me that much. Okay. But I need to heal. Okay. So what I'm learning is that I can't really dodge however I would like. So I need to be conservative with attacks and stamina. Okay, I thought he was staggered, but he wasn't. And I'm out of healing. Okay, so let's just take this extremely carefully now. Because, honestly... Whoa! What was that? He just randomly, like, just was able to That wasn't me. That was the game. I don't want to lose against the tutorial boss. And I don't think I will.
没成想，这定身术倒还好使。既是花果山来的故人，教你一招也无妨。来，速速把手伸来。
Oh, nice. I can use that spell I use as Wukong.
写好了。
That one was actually very
遇到
useful.
什么
So
凶匪恶徒，只需用着手一指，心里默念一声“定”，就能让对方动弹不得，你也可喘息片刻。只是小老儿道行浅薄，这定身效果不消片刻就会失
it's good for healing, though.
遇到些笨货倒还好用，你全当是挣个傍身的手段吧。
Oh, he's back.
如今这些小儿真是目无尊长，别怕，用刚学的法术与他玩玩。
And there we go. See? Not bad. And again, I don't want to lose against the tutorial boss. So I'm just gonna be a little bit cautious while fighting now. A little bit overcautious, maybe I should be more aggressive. Because his attack pattern is honestly quite easy. It's quite predictable. Oh, come here. And there you go. Well, can I crouch? Because I would like to teabag you. Good sir. Oh, no, he's gone. Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay. But I mean, that's the tutorial boss. If the boss is there, and that is a temple and stuff, that probably means that that's the area where I'm supposed to go to. So, what I want to do is not go there, and instead go in the opposite direction, and see if there's any goodies that I can pick up. Maybe that weird thing that jumped into the water before will come back. Oh, hello. Sorry guys, but like, you guys are incredibly weak. I mean, I shouldn't be so rude. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired and in a... like, how to say rude mood? Okay. Oh, that one's small and quick. I wasn't really expecting that. Oh, okay, it exploded on me. It's stinky. It's a little stinky explosion when it dies. I didn't expect that from the little raccoon dude. Oh, hello. Oh, that's the guy from before. Is that Crow? That's a non-weak enemy. Here, I want to do that. Aha. I wanted to use my immobilize thing, but instead of doing it, I started doing like stupid things like picking up Lotus. There we go. I should really be more careful with whatever I'm doing because I barely have an HP. Oh, that's what happens when you just try out all the abilities and don't go back to get more health and just in general being like not being careful. So far, so good. Oh, okay. I should have realized that to begin with, but the blue thing is my mana, so I needed to use spells. Again, that's another thing that I didn't think about while I was playing this Wukong, because apparently he didn't like have any limit on his health or mana or anything. So that's useful. That makes life easier. I wish it was like that all the time. I would never have to worry. Okay, self-advance and sparks. Open self-advance to awaken talents. Level up to gain sparks and awaken more abilities and spells. Sparks will not be lost upon resurrection. Okay. So how do I do that? Do I do that over here? Self-advance. Yeah, okay. So we have... oh, we actually have some equipment and stuff. I wonder if I would have gotten some extra equipment if I actually pre-ordered the game instead of just wanting it for a long time. Who knows? Here, let's just do this. For now, because those are basic things that I definitely want at some point. More health, more stamina. And then when I understand the game more and the things that like go into it, then I'll actually upgrade other things. But for now, stealth, stamina, that's a good start. Should I go back and heal myself? Or should I just advance on with basically no HP and see if I can actually survive until I get to the next save point? I think I will. But that gives everything a little bit tension. So there we go. And honestly, these first guys are so weak. Oh so weak. Got another spark. But I just used all my sparks. Each talent level slightly increases the health recovery upon consuming a focus point. Oh, I can recover health. Oh, that's good. That's worth it. That's just worth it in general. I like this. I'm improving. I'm turning better. That guy, I'm gonna beat him. Okay. Well, that's the plan at least. Here, little guys. Okay, don't explode on me. If I died from your fucking explosion, that would be extremely embarrassing. Hello. And goodbye. Weren't I supposed to be healing from that? Or maybe it's not every enemy that gives me focus points. Uncertain. Unclear. Oh, I can do the Dark Souls crash. I love it. Good. That's what I want. Okay. I'm out of coffee. That's not good. Is this just to see the area, or will I heal from this, or what's gonna happen? just took a quiet moment. That also works. I got a spark. Healed a little bit. That's nice. That's nice. That's a nice mechanic. I like it. Can I make this gong make sounds? I hit that a little bit harder than I was meaning to. I just wanted to make a boom boom sound. I'm almost back at full health. Life is just wonderful for me right now. And, oh, is that? No, it's not. I thought it was a shrine. But there's a shrine just a few meters afterwards, so that's fine. That's fine. Spend will to acquire goods. Oh. Okay, what can I buy? We have increases damage reduction, burnt state, poison state. Oh, these are all things that I will forget that I own after I buy them. And I will never use, but I should use them because it makes life so much easier. I have decided that buying and selling things is a problem for later me. Right now, I'll go around and just attack things with my stick.
不知深浅的这么往前硬闯，只怕得吃大苦头。我且把你变为一只金蝉，你可顺着前面的火光探一探这山中的虚实。
Or I can hit them with my punchy stick. Or you can turn me into a bug. I guess you can turn me into a bug.
小庙还有诸多神奇妙用，日后你自会明白。
Okay. I'm assuming no one will attack me when I'm a little
黑
bee.
风山的后山重地藏着不少秘密，想四处探探的话，务必留神金蝉的存续时间。
居然有几个酒坛，
中途迷路之处，
还有没有残酒？
自会暗中提点。放心去吧。
I can't really do much at all. I can just run around. You know what? I feel like I prefer going in as a monkey and hitting people. Because now I'm lost. I'm about to turn back into a monkey. At a random place where I don't have any control. But maybe I can use this at a later point. Right now, I don't feel like I need it. But later, sure. To get around people seems useful. But right now, I'm just gonna punch these guys. See, like those guys, I don't feel like I really needed to scout them out. Just do a little bit of wacky whack with a wacky stick. A punchy punch, a hitty hit. There's so many good names for the wacky stick. And there we go. Oh, whoa, what the fuck is that? I guess that's something that I should have been looking at while I was in that form. Because I have no idea what that is. I mean, it's definitely a boss, but it looks... Oh my god, it's so ugly. Why is its head so big? I think I'm lost. Ooh, piece of candy.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, piece of enemy. Oh, wow. One attack. Got that much health. Well, it's lucky that it was actually not too difficult to fight, because... Jeez. He did a lot of damage with that one attack. So evil. So hard. Oh! He managed to attack me anyway. Oh. Have to say, while it's not too difficult, but I still have to concentrate a bit while fighting. I have no idea where I am and where I've been. There's something big here. Oh, we're back here! At that big thingy. I am not in the mood to fight you right now. I feel like that is the area where I will want to go. The main area. Anyone else? I'm kind of wondering where the big guy is. I saw a big guy before. Oh, okay. That guy is definitely a boss. The Monkey King, or the chosen one, or the chosen monkey, or whatever I am. We'll need to go around a little bit first and make sure that everything... that I've done everything. Oh yeah, that's him. Okay, I didn't think he would hit me there, honestly. I'm taking so many unnecessary attacks. So many. But now that guy is down, which I like. So I'm starting to think that basically I have two places to go, which is to that first weird big-headed dude and to the obvious boss fight where I was just a second ago. I feel like this guy is gonna be strong. I don't want to fight him right now. I probably want to have full health when fighting him. Should I fight the big guy first? Because that, honestly, the other guy, while he's smaller, I feel like he would be more difficult. So I'm just gonna fight the big, weird monk-looking thing.